Okay, now you guys just got done watching the John Deere video. The same place, this guy said, hey, go ahead and take this push mower out of there too. Shane, see if it's going to start. It probably won't start on the hose. It won't start because you got it on the hose. Actually, that might make it start.
Yeah.
It don't even sound like it wants to, does it? Shane, our master mechanic / master edger / master trub trimmer / master weed eater / master grass cutter / master mulcher / master landscaper / master everything is going to master this Troy-Bilt push mower. I totally went all in on the best way to do it and everything. I mean, one night me and Tina made about 225. How's the blade look?
Oh, those shot blades. I think
Is this a northern mower?
as you guys can tell, this is clearly from the Rust Band.
Oh my god.
Probably came from Ohio. Somebody must have been mowing during the salt season. Actually, you know what's crazy about all that rust is as soon as you start mowing with it here in this Florida sand, it's gonna actually sandblast the hole underneath anyways.
Good.
Alright, so we have a lawnmower, unknown condition. It is not starting. It has fuel. Most likely the normal cause of that is a clogged carburetor. I think we can save it. It seems to have compression. I don't hear any major knocking. This is a ready start. There's no priming involved and no choking, so it has an automatic choke.
Really?
That usually never works. Ooh.
Wow.
This is the filter. I don't think that's ever been changed before. The filter on the mower. It's pretty bad.
That almost is like some of the stuff we use.
Yeah, that has never been changed. It's probably the original filter. So the carburetor is pretty gunky. You can already see a bunch of gunk into here. So most likely that's why it's not running. We're gonna take the bowl off and clean it out.
Yeah, I got some carb.
Yeah.
This is one of the reasons that we can never get nothing done. If this channel suddenly deceases real quick, just know we went out of business. Oh my gosh!
Almost got hit by a
Oh,
projectile.
now if you would have hit Shane in the face, I couldn't have stopped him from just taking something in a spontaneous rage. And
Man, that went right over his head.
I didn't see what it was. I felt it, but
too bad it didn't knock him in the face.
Did you guys set specialist?
there's a little bit of gunk in there. It'll probably clog the jet. So we're gonna fix that.
Excellent. Okay, it's this action over top.
Yeah, there we go. I think the float is good.
Was it moving before or was it stuck, Shane?
I was moving. I think mostly that jet's clogged. But I'm just gonna take the whole carburetor off, and I can get to it.
I figured that would give it a little bit of... Yeah. I wonder if the spark plug... Oh, you said it was getting sparked, right?
Yeah, it's fine.
Man.
Nice. That's got some kind of a speed drive where it can adjust the speed or something.
Yeah, the harder you pull it,
Yeah.
the faster it goes. But it's probably out of adjustment. Probably stiff as a board, I imagine.
Yeah.
You're gonna go cut a piece of grass with it. I was there worried for a moment.
I knew it'd start up. I just need a little extra juice.
Let this mower be a metaphor for life. It's been beat down. It's suffered a few bruises. It's kind of old. And right there, when you feel like giving up, just give it one more try.
Yeah.
And then you never know, it's just gonna fire up. That's pretty good, wasn't it?
That's good. I like it. Nice.
I believe this blade is as old as this mower. And there you have it, folks. See, I wasn't lying at the beginning of the video when I said Shane was all those things. The proof is in the pudding. We'll see y'all in the next video.
Nice.
That's pretty good.